This angle redirects force.
No open direction remains.
The scan shows a deviation of nearly 2 millimeters right here.
That doesn't match the level 3 specs. We need to rerun the calibration.
This is the structure. If this torque is wrong, the engine never forgives.
Watch the pins. Got it. Bring it down slow.
This pressure keeps the vehicle moving when weight fights back.
All connections are secured.
Clearances checked and confirmed. We are good to go.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Copy that. Making sure these are tight before we lift. Ready for torque sequence on bank 1?
Confirmed. Moving to position.
Everything behind the wheels depends on this joint.
From here on, the vehicle carries itself.
We need to verify the armor plating specifications here before the next phase.
I agree. The current schematics show a potential weak point near the turret mount.
The shape exists for a reason.
Sample C performed better on the edge test.
Agreed. We should move forward with this alloy.
The clearance here is only 40 millimeters.
That's insufficient for the side blast vector. We need to adjust the seat position.
This harness needs to clear the exhaust conduit.
Yes, reroute it slightly higher here.
Correlation is exact at this velocity.
Noted. Rerunning the sequence with increased density.
Check the lumbar reading on screen 3.
It stabilized when he leaned back. We can proceed with the vibration test.
Every line drawn has a consequence.
From this point on, metal follows decisions.
Check the rear hanger.
It's tight. We are clear.
Check the pressure on the right side. It looks low.
No, it's within tolerance now.
This layer protects what no one will ever see.
Right here, see that scratch?
Yeah, got it.
Color here is not style. It is concealment.
The thermal curve on the left side is stabilizing now.
Yes, the polymer cross-linking looks consistent across the chassis.
Imperfections hide weaknesses.
Electronics fail fast when mounted wrong.
Executing diagnostics. Core systems online. Encryption protocols engaged.
This part waits years to work once.
Check the clearance on row 3.
Looks good. Looks good. 0.8 millimeters.
Restraint is part of survival. Vibration on the rear axle is spiking at 4,000 RPM.
Acknowledged. It remains within the critical parameters.
Weight stops only when systems agree.
The rear caliper is still showing hot spots on the inboard side. Yeah, but the delta T is within tolerance now. We can sign off on this axle.
The front right is still locking up too early on the slick surface.
Noted. We need to adjust the pulse width.
Design answers questions before they're asked.
The cabin intrusion at the C-pillar is reading 20 millimeters.
That aligns with the predictive model. Let's check the floor pan.
When mass is this high, delay is deadly.
We hit the peak displacement at 385.
Noted. The thermal readings are slightly elevated. Failure here reaches the crew.
Check the pressure on the lower left seal. I think we have a slight variance here.
I see it. It's holding steady though.
This moment defines the vehicle.
The flow rate here exceeds the specification. See how it cools before the drain.
Got it. Area 4, cooling observed.
No alerts means readiness.
Check the connections on the auxiliary panel.
Slight seepage near the conduit, but the electronics are dry. Confirmed on the tablet.
Okay, scan complete. We have a 001B on the auxiliary power unit.
Clear the fault and rerun the diagnostic.
Fault cleared, system nominal.
Bring the toe in just a fraction.
That's centered, holding at 0.
Perfect. Lock it down.
Comfort here means control.
steady at 65 decibels.
Noted. Checking the floor panel now.
Fasteners on the left side panel are secure.
Confirmed. Mark section C complete.
Nothing left to test.
This vehicle doesn't promise safety, it proves it.